Did you know that sometimes the people we love most find ways to keep loving us even after they're gone? When she opened her 2023 Spotify Wrapped, she discovered something that made her cry happy tears. Her account had been playing a playlist called For Our Survivor all year long. But here's the amazing part. Her mom, brother, and sister had created this playlist right before they passed away. They knew she would need music to help her heal. The playlist had 127 songs picked just for her. Her mom added gospel songs about trusting God. Her brother chose hip-hop about being strong. Her sister picked songs about loving yourself. But the most incredible discovery was yet to come. They had scheduled new songs to appear every month through 2025. 2 whole years of musical hugs from heaven. Every time she felt sad or lost, somehow the perfect song would start playing. Her family had created a soundtrack for her survival, proving that love never really dies. It just finds new ways to reach us.